My name's Myles. I'd like to give a shout out, thank Maurice for his VIP trading program. And with this program, I was able to make $10,000 in 5 business days. And Maurice sent me this beautiful plaque. As you can see it says for $10,000. And within 4 weeks, I made $50,000. And believe me, I've tried all kinds of online businesses. You name it, I've probably tried it. But the good thing about Maurice's program is, number one, it's fairly uncomplicated and simple. And taking a complicated subject like trading options and making it simple is really unusual. So that's what I really liked about his program. The second thing is that Maurice's program will team you up one-on-one with a coach who will guide you, walk you through everything, and give you pointers, make sure you're going on the right track. And that's the 2 reasons why this program is just so effective. I've never seen anything like it. So just want to say thank you again, Maurice, and also shout out to my coach, Dustin. Appreciate it. Thank you, and wish the best of luck to all the other traders out there. Thank you.